Hello and welcome to another episode of Explore and Create. This is Joe, and today we'll be looking at the history of the Caesar salad and learning the recipe from the restaurant that brought it to life. Most people just assume the salad came from Italy. However, many have contributed the Caesar salad to the United States. But the real story is a little more interesting. The real origins begin with Caesar Cardini, who was born in Bovino, Italy on February 24th, 1896. After immigrating to the U.S. from Italy in the 1910s, Cardini opened a restaurant in Sacramento and later in San Diego. But to escape prohibition, he moved across the border to Tijuana in the 1920s before opening his business in its current location in 1927. As Cardini's daughter, Rosa, famously recounted for decades until her death in 2003, her father invented this namesake dish on the 4th of July, 1924. As legend has it, the restaurant was doing such brisk business on American Independence Day that it was running short on ingredients. On a whim, Cardini improvised a dish using romaine lettuce leaves, raw egg yolk, Parmesan cheese, and other leftovers, transforming the odd scraps into a surprisingly delicious meal. There are two other stories, and no one can say for sure which one is true. One story goes that Caesar's brother Alex, who worked in a restaurant in Italy since the age of 10, who went on to be an ace pilot in World War I, invented the salad while entertaining a group of pilots in the restaurant, originally calling it the aviator's salad. Still, another version of the story credits a young employee of Caesar's, Livino Santini. Also from Italy, Santini moved to Tijuana in 1924. Landed a job cooking for Cardini, and allegedly threw together the salad based on a dish his mother used to make. The facts are, whichever of the three stories is true, the salad still originated at Caesar's restaurant in Tijuana. Throughout the 1920s, hordes of American film stars flocked to Tijuana for prohibition-banned booze, and word soon spread of Caesar's amazing salad among Hollywood elites. In fact, the salad soon spread from Mexico and the Golden State across the globe. In the 1940s, Gourmet magazine called the dish the gastronomic highlight of the current moment, and in 1953 it was crowned as the greatest recipe to originate in Americas in 50 years by the International Society of Epicurists in France. The Cardinis packed up from Tijuana and moved to Los Angeles, where they patented their family's famous salad dressing in 1948. Today, it's still sold as Caesar's Cardini dressing. But while the brand is now based in the U.S., the restaurant that inspired the dish and its roots are planted firmly in Tijuana. That's enough of a history lesson. Let's learn how they make the Caesar salad like they do at Caesar's. The ingredients you'll need are romaine lettuce, extra virgin olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, Dijon mustard, crushed garlic, an egg yolk, lime juice, fresh ground black pepper, grated Parmesan, and 6 anchovy fillets. Start by cleaning the lettuce and refrigerate until crisp, at least 1 hour. In a wooden bowl, combine mustard, anchovy, lime juice, and part of the Parmesan cheese. Beat with a spoon until it forms a paste. Once the egg is cold, beat in the yolk and add it until it is well mixed. Add olive oil and beat well. Add all the romaine lettuce leaves and gently wrap in the dressing. Serve on a plate. Add the rest of the Parmesan cheese, croutons, and freshly ground pepper. That's it for Cardini's Caesar salad for now, and we are on to explore and create other things. If you would like to see more history and recipe videos, please comment on what you'd like to see down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Next, I'll be exploring some of the origins of my favorite soda drinks and creating our own syrups. Hope you enjoyed this episode. Have a great day.